Good morning, everyone watching today, day 56. We're headed out with Average Austin, Rookie Robbie, and Junior Jaden. We're just going to Boulder Mountain today. Don't really have much of a plan, just tear up the fresh pow. It's +4 down here in the valley right now. Not really sure what it is up top, but I'm guessing it's pretty close to freezing. It's actually kind of sunny out right now. I'm not sure about the big storm that we're supposed to get, but we'll have to see what's up there.
Grossly expensive.
Build a snowman. Drop the gas at the cabin, now we'll play in the trees. Wow, this snow is extremely hard to ride in. I don't think I've ridden in snow like this before. It's like hard on the top and then super soft underneath. Okay. Now it's handlebar deep. And now we ride right on top. Hot out here. Well, so much for the big storm. The big storm delivered some not so nice snow to us on top of what was really nice yesterday. Spirits are high.
Yeah. No, every day's good, but yeah, this is some pretty wild snow change in one day.
Oh, I was just coming back. I think we'll go back and find Robbie and then go in the Alpine. Jaden, did you say you're stuck now? Yeah. He's not having it.
I don't know how you got up that.
You go find Robbie, I'll go back to Jaden. And then we'll go in the Alpine. I don't think I've ever rode in snow like this. We're snowmobiling, we can't be that negative. It's fluffy underneath.
Super fluffy.
You a little stuck?
A little bit.
Flying around?
That's alright, I wasn't the first stuck because Jaden got stuck over there. I gotta say that.
Getting up higher into the Alpine a bit. The snow is a little bit better here, but it's still super hard to go in. Like Jaden's like on flat ground and wide open. I thought you guys were running into each other for sure.
Oh, I moved.
Oh,
Oh, that was scary.
he's stuck too.
Oh yeah.
stuck now. Oh, I can't even move it. This is so weird. It's so hard. Get a little snow depth test going here. Hey, Rookie Robbie!
Hey!
You look a little upside down.
Is this not right side up? I thought this is how you ride.
Follow Robbie, see how far he makes her. Man, you cannot go anywhere.
I might be diving into this tree well.
You should have kept going straight.
One, two.
Let's push for the top and then we'll come back to these boys. I think the best snow is like right here.
Right here.
Like we went up a bit. It's all right, but what'd you think up there? Pretty similar to here?
Yeah, just a bit more wind blowing.
Yeah. A bit of a slower day today. I think we've only done about like 3 kilometers of off-trail riding. Jaden's stuck again. Robbie's all screwed up. Snow is so weird today. Just gonna screw around here for a bit longer and then we'll probably head her down. Oh my god. I think Austin's outdoing us. Is that what we're doing? We're going down 2 o'clock?
Well, you seem like you're ready.
No, let's go back up and rip some pow. Well, you guys got a short vlog today. I somehow still burned almost all my gas, but yeah, that's pretty much it.
Bit of a slower day out there today, but that's all right. We'll just call it a rest day. Snowing out now, well, pouring rain down here, but snow up top, so tomorrow should be pretty good again. And yeah, we'll get back at it for day 57. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.